Let us talk about bat pollinated flowers. Very curious flowers with curious staminal shapes, and the family is Lacethidaceae. We have monkey pot, Lacethis pisonis, which has a wooded capsule which looks like a pot, and it has also a lid. So if monkeys have to eat the tasty seeds, nuts which are inside, then they will put hand inside. But it is a large size, coconut size fruit. So if hand is put inside, it will go easily. But if it collects the seeds and then in that fist is try to be taken out, then it becomes difficult. The flowers have the colorful racemes which are mostly pollinated by bats. Lacethis has given the name to the family Lacethidaceae. Lacethis jabucabo is another paradise nut. The nuts are also eaten and they are rich in micronutrients. They are traded also in the market. But these are bat pollinated flowers. Apart from Lacethis, there is another Brazilian nut which is also found in Brazil forests, and this is Bertholletia excelsa, which is again of the coconut size fruits, and they also are eaten, traded, and are also medicinal. Apart from these two, we have another very curiously shaped flower in one of the American tree, but it is also found in Indian gardens, mostly around the Shiva temples, is cannonball tree, because the fruits look like top ka gola, cannonballs. So it is also known in Hindi as top gola. In Bengali language it is called as kamani gola. In South Indian languages it is named variously as Nagalingam, Nagamalli, Nagapushpam. Even in Gujarati language it is called as Kalashpati. So it has the hood-like staminal structure which gives it the name and connectivity to the Lord Shiva. So it is mostly planted around the Shiva temples. Corupita guyanensis. So flowers originate directly from the trunk. So this cauliflowery condition is unique to this plant. And large size cannonball fruits, they are also eaten by pigs and various other animals. They are also medicinal and used in some ailments by the tribal communities in the Amazon forests. Corupita guyanensis, again pollinated by the bats. Honeybees also visit. They don't, it is without nectar, but pollen reward is given, especially in Amazon forest. The carpenter bee, Xylocopa brasilianiformis, is the which frequently visit the flowers of Nagalingam, and this is also planted in our Indian gardens, Maharashtra, Calcutta, Delhi, even Tirupati, Tirumala hills. Another tree which we find in India and which is native to Indian subcontinent and also Southeast Asia is Barringtonia. Barringtonia is also known as Indian oak or Ceylon oak. Barringtonia acutangula is known as Indian oak, whereas Barringtonia asiatica and racemosa, they are also known as sea poison trees, because their fruits are used to stun the fish, and they are found along the coastal belt. So that has given the name as sea poison tree or fish poison tree, also known as Samudra Phal. But Barringtonia acutangula name is because of the angled cardamom-like seeds which hang from the trees. And this tree stands planted even in Jammu. Oldest tree, Barringtonia acutangula, will find at Bas Bangla in Araspura. And there are few trees in agricultural complex Talabtalo as well as in floriculture gardens. We see this plant. It has a hanging red racemes and flowers open during the night hours and they spread fragrance. Likewise, we have the Barringtonia racemosa. Barringtonia racemosa is also known as powder puff tree, and its flowers also open during evening hours. And Barringtonia asiatica is again the flower which is visited by the bats and moths, as the flowers spread fragrance in the night time, and in the early morning they will fall on the ground. Another tree which belongs to this particular family, Lecythidaceae, Brazilian nut family, but is native to India, is known as kumbh. Its fruit is again a kumbh-like structure, pot-like structure, half-filled pot, as we keep in our religious rituals while performing pujas. That kalash or kumbh-like structure, that fruit has given it the name as kumbhi, also known as kumbhika. In Sanskrit, it is also known as kumudika because of lily-like flower shapes, ornamental beauty of stamens. It is also known as Shriparnika because its leaves turn bright red during the cold season. So it becomes very decorative and ornamental when its leaves turn bright red. Even in Ayurveda, it has been elaborately described as a medicinal tree with health benefits against hemorrhoids, against digestive problems, against antibacterial. It has antibacterial quality, and this is bark is used as well as the fruit seeds. In Thailand, the young twigs and the fruits, they are also edible, but Barringtonia acutangula is edible. Other plants, Barringtonia racemosa or asiatica, they are not that much edible. Caria arborea is also known as slow match tree because it was used in the firearm for igniting the hand-held firearm. The fibers of the roots were used for that purpose, so it got another name as slow match tree. It is called as Kaulimara in Kannada language and Ama in Tamil language, and this is usually planted in gardens for its fall foliage color. This is the tree which is native to India. We have Barringtonia reticulata, which is found in Andaman, Nicobar Islands, and also in Southeast Asia. This Caria arborea is also known as wild guava because it looks like guava-like fruit. So fruit is edible, having the health benefits. Another tree to this family, Lecythidaceae, is named after Napoleon Bonaparte, who in 1804 became the French emperor, and in the same year the plant was named as Napoleonia. Napoleonia is an African genus with one of the species, Napoleonia imperialis, which is planted in the gardens. We see in Calcutta gardens with beautiful floral architecture, hat-like structure. Stamens become a disc shape and the flower is very beautiful. Napoleonia imperialis. But its other two African species found in Nigeria, They are critically endangered.